Hi, today we'll learn how to generate noise in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this video added to the project, and if you want to edit it, we need to drag and drop this video to the timeline, and then we need to click on our video and we need to go to Effects tab, and here on the search field we need to type video noise generator. After that, on the grain and noise settings, we can find video noise generator. We can drag and drop this effect to our video, and after that, on the effects and composition stack settings, we can modify and adjust the settings of this noise generator. I recommend you to find here this option, all components range. We need to increase it, then you will be able to check the effect on your video. So for example, I will set it to 60, and after that it will look really great in my opinion. So after that I can move the start position to the start of video, and I will click play button. How you see, the noise generator have been successfully applied to our video, so it looks really great in my opinion. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and support my channel. Thank you for watching my tutorials.